Woohoo! Welcome back to the family. Can't say our last name, but let's go. Bowling trip. We're gonna order some food in that cafe over there. And I'm waiting to be up. Tay, should my viewers like and subscribe?
Yeah, they should.
Mom, should my viewers like and subscribe?
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, guys, you should like and subscribe.
Where the fuck now Rowan's winning?
Right now, Rowan's running, the 4-year-old. Alright, Rowan, it's your turn.
My phone.
Yeah, grab a ball. Grab a ball. A ball. Okay, I'm being weird. Alright, let's go, Rowan. That's a big loss of horse. Yes, sis, you're not winning that. Yeah, she did not win that. Tate's up. Let's go, Tate. Boom. I hate that. Just take. There's like lines that go up here that should go up. They have lines that go up. I can't leave. Oh, I hit my finger. I'm up.
Survived the great bowling alley.
Hold up. All right, it was Mitchell Light. All right.
Bowling alley.
Don't pause it.
Okay.
Hey, Mom, when is bowling considered cool?
Mommy, we're on TV.
When was bowling considered cool?
What? Yeah, totally.
Hey, Mom, when was bowling considered cool? I don't know.
Yay! You get one more shot to do the other one. You gotta get.
Okay, yeah, one more shot.
No,
It's okay, Rowan. It'll come back. Well, at least it's getting Tate's ball out of there.
Hey, Mom, how cool would it be if we got one of those things that say all possible?
Let's go check up on the food that I ordered. Why are people yelling over there? What's going on? Alright, see you later. Chat. Yeah. Let's go. Coca-Cola. Alright, I'm gonna go ask when the food's gonna be done. That was rude. It's ice. Who's even gonna watch this at this point? I can already tell nobody's gonna watch this, so bye.